Hi everybody, welcome back to another CYT-Crypto episode. My name is Stephen Aitchison and today we're going to kick off a series on technical analysis. Technical analysis, a lot of people kind of shy away from it, but I've been using technical analysis for a number of years. However, I'm not your typical technical analyst. I believe in simple TA. You do not need to go down the rabbit hole and get all those kind of trading indicators and get all of them and buy into them. I think simple TA will tell you as much information as going down the rabbit hole and getting all the other TA indicators. I think simple TA is extremely effective, and I think it should be used when you're trading as a way to augment your trading and to gain experience in technical analysis as well. So we're going to start off this series with simple TA, but because it's simple, it doesn't mean to say it's not powerful. This is extremely powerful when you know what you're looking for and you can trade or invest based on technical analysis as well. Now, first we'll have to define what technical analysis is. So put quite simply, technical analysis is a study of price movements through the use of charts. And you get lots of different charting software, and we'll go through this throughout the series as well. So that's, in a nutshell, that's basically what it is. Now, there are assumptions with regards to technical analysis, and there's assumptions that a lot of kind of traders make, and assumptions that we have to make with the new kind of fields that have come out in crypto, especially with the kind of rise of meme coins and with the rise of other types of projects as well, gaming tokens as well. But meme coins especially have kind of put a different spin on technical analysis as well. So I'm going to make a few assumptions with regards to technical analysis, and that is all the information is reflected in the price. This is a basic assumption of technical analysis. Another assumption is we're going to assume that there's enough volume in the market as well. You cannot trade and look at charts if there's only a couple of $1,000 liquidity or a couple of $1,000 being traded per day, because it means one person could come in and spike the price right up, and you cannot do technical analysis that way. So we have to assume there's enough volume in a project, a crypto project for example. And to do good technical analysis, I'm going to assume that the fundamentals of the project you're in are good as well. We don't need that necessarily. We can still kind of predict where the price is going to go without good fundamentals, because we don't know if there is good fundamentals. There could be something going on in the background that we just don't know about. But generally we're going to assume there's good fundamentals there in the project as well. We also have to assume, and this is a big one, that what we're really doing here is based on human psychology or the herd psychology. So when we're looking at charts, for example, if you're looking at cup and handle, there's going to be millions of other people looking at that same pattern and basing their trading decisions based on that pattern as well. So it's almost like a self-fulfilling prophecy that technical analysis has become. So we look at this based on human psychology, and we can get an edge on the people that don't really know or don't look at technical analysis, and using our trading decisions that way as well. So the big part of technical analysis is based on human psychology. But it's not all it is, but that is one of the main factors in technical analysis. It's based on human psychology. And we're looking at the trends that humans see, whether subconsciously or consciously. When you're consciously looking at it, that's when you're looking at technical analysis, because you're consciously seeing it. When you unconsciously see it, you don't know why something's going to happen. You just think it's going to happen. And it's probably because you unconsciously see what's happened in the past is going to repeat again, but you don't know why. And this is where the feeling comes in. If you've been trading long enough, you'll know that you just get a feeling about something, and it generally tends to happen. So don't dismiss this at all. This is genuine when you're actually trading. If you've been trading a lot as well, you get a feel for the market. You get a feel for a project, where it's going, especially if you've traded a project for a long time. So we'll crack on, and we're going to look at the very basics of what I look at when we're doing technical analysis. And that is the traffic light charts. So the next video is going to be entitled Traffic Light Charts, and this is the basics of what we're looking at. Okay, until next video, namaste, take care, bye now.